Welcome to my channel Mixed Media and More. I'm Bea and I'm glad you found me. Hi all! Today I show some parts of the process for an art journal page I made recently. I'm on the Facebook group Deconstructed Art Journal. They hosted a swap with a winter theme. The link for the group is in the description box down below. I did start with some watercolor paper 8 by 8 inch, which I folded in half, and then added some lines and dots with masking fluid. Before I could add any watercolor paint, I had to let dry the masking fluid completely. I did use the Daniel Smith watercolors, my favorite ones, and also some from Davenport. Now enjoy my process. I will step in whenever I have to say something. And in case you have more questions, just leave them in the comments. As you maybe can see, I did struggle a bit with the fold I have already made. Next time I'll probably fold the page afterwards if I'm gonna remember. I did add some stamping with a grey and a green Stazon ink, which is waterproof. I protected the snowdrifts with a mask made from a scrap paper. As a focal point, I did use this napkin part. I prefer torn edges. They blend in better with the background. As a glue, I did use Liquitex Matte Medium. The lower left corner seemed a bit empty to me, so I decided to add some heat embossing with a stamp and Versamark. Time to reveal the snowflakes, so to speak. I simply rubbed off the masking fluid, which has protected the white of the paper. To blend the background and the napkin even more, I added watercolor, and later I also outlined the snowman with some black charcoal. More heat embossing for some stars in the sky. I wanted some heat embossed red berries, but I didn't use Versamark. Instead, I painted some dots with an acrylic paint marker. Works too! On the back side, I did apply some glitter gel and a blue acrylic paint to make a background for what becomes page 1 of the signature. With Stazon in brown and a stencil, I added some trees. As a focal point, I did use my handcrafted stamp of a fox with some orange Stazon. I did stamp it on a separate piece of the watercolor paper. The background was way too textured to properly stamp on it. This time I have punched out some stars from a silver cardstock. I also added some shadows with the Posca Pen. The backside from the page was rather simple. I did paint with the leftover acrylic paint and then added the napkin you can see on the right side. Some shading at the edges again with the Posca Pen and some distress ink, and then some snowflakes with the white Sharpie marker. I hope you enjoyed the video. And in case you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification about my new videos. I appreciate all my subbies. So till next time!